ETH Week brings together students from each one of our departments, gives them a problem of future significance, this year manufacturing the future, and tests them to define a challenge and then to come together to try and solve it.
When I hear the word manufacturing the future, I see the task given to our generation to come up with new ideas and find new solutions.
We expect the students to work together, bring their diverse backgrounds to try to explore how they might solve that question, and teamwork is absolutely essential.
Manufacturing the future means also to reduce waste, especially plastic waste. And so we came up with a solution to use laboratory waste to produce food.
Mutual learning, mutual experience is a key topic this year. How do the students learn from the tutors and the professors? And also, interestingly, how the professors and tutors learn from the students. Because the problems we have to face today in manufacturing for the future are multi-dimensional and multi-generational.
For me as a coach during the ETH Week, it was really a true pleasure to see the students, how engaged they work together and how they could combine each of their expertise in their disciplines and truly experience the convergence of sciences.
My take-home message is how many things there are still to improve, how many different manufacturing techniques are there already in development and could be improved.
I learned a lot from my teammates, their passion and their way of expression. I think I'm not so good at expressing my ideas, but I learned from them.
What I take home from this ETH Manufacturing the Future Week is that the best solutions, the best problem statements come from an interdisciplinary work.
What I learned and understood and amazed me is that in just 1 week you can reach a lot. To commonly define and understand problems and the challenges, and this is extremely important because if you don't have a clear understanding of these challenges, you cannot develop any solution, doesn't matter how brilliant you are.